Hey guys, Nick Meyer today from Mark's Supply Company. Today I have for you a like brand new 2023 Kubota L3902 compact tractor loader backhoe package. This tractor is complete with the 3-point hitch arms. This is going to have a LA526 quick attach loader on it with skid steer quick attach and a skid steer quick attach bucket up front. It's going to have a BH77 subframe mount backhoe attachment. This tractor only has 60 hours on it, and it is truthfully a like new tractor. Has a very hard to find set of R14T tires right now. This tractor was purchased new 5/8 of 23. It will have powertrain warranty until 5/8 of 26. It will have emissions warranty until 5/8 of 2028. So you are buying a tractor that has warranty. Again, you are not going to find one on the market any cleaner than this, and you probably are not going to find one on the market for any better price than where I have this priced. Most guys are $2,000 to $4,000 more than I'm asking. So, again, if you're looking for a clean tractor, here it is. We're going to open up the hood here and show you underneath. This has a factory Kubota folding roll bar. Under the hood is going to be powered by a Kubota diesel engine. This tractor just had a full service done at 47 hours. So I decided not to service it due to everything was absolutely clean, everything was new, and everything had been written on. Very clean. Again, this is an original tractor. You can show them on the other side over here, Braden. There is no ifs, ands, or buts about this. There's no quirky anything. Of course, there'll be people that question that, you know. But guys, here's what we do. It does have the 50-year anniversary badge on it, which is pretty cool. People know I like stuff like this. We have dealers that call us from all over the country. We buy all kinds of this kind of equipment. We like these kind of products. Makes my job a lot easier. Skid steer quick attach. You got your part number and packing label still on the back of the bucket. You will see up front here, we do have our top link. Our 3-point hitch arms are here and complete for the tractor. R14T tires, 29 by 950 by 15, Goodyear up front, and 43 by 16 by 20 Goodyears in the back. And fellas, let's take a look here. Oh, the little tits are still on the tires. Again, BH77 backhoe. I believe that's a 16-inch bucket, which you can see. Teeth are like brand new. It's all original paint. There's not a lot else to say. We did wash and wax the tractor. It does have a toolbox option on it over here. 60 hours, all the gauges work. You will have low, medium, and high ranges. You have your 4-wheel drive in and out, up and down for your 3-point PTO. You do have your nice throttle pedal on the Hydrostatic there, joystick loader control. So independent brakes, locking differential. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and fire this tractor up. Or as my son likes to call him. What do you call him, Braden? You know. What do you call him? Huh? Tratter. A tratter. Must be a new generation thing. It does also have a level gauge on it. This tractor also full drive out. So the 3902s have something pretty cool also. They actually do have LED lights, and then they have an LED side light on the hood, which is pretty cool. It really looks cool at night. So that's low range. We're going to go ahead and go to medium range. So out of the 01 series tractors, we're now an 02. The 39 series is always my favorite. I felt that they had very good power for the size of the tractor. Obviously they make a 49 also. We're going to go ahead now and go to high range. The 39 was a nice sized tractor that you can do a lot with. top off there. We're going to pull a pin and actually fold our seat down, fold our tractor seat up, and we're going to go ahead and hop up on here. We're going to release our boom off. Put both our outriggers down. BH77 Backhoe attachment, guys. Honestly, does not disappoint from Kubota. It is a very nice backhoe attachment. You are talking today, right now, to buy a new one of these, you're like $12,000 for just a backhoe attachment, which is really a pile of money. Fix itself up. You can see there, truthfully, like new backhoe. All your locking pin mechanisms are all in place in here. So when you dismount the tractor, step here, right off, we'll pull our pin in our seat, lock it in place. About the medium range. Rear tires on this tractor are also filled with rim guard. Headlights, turn signals, four ways, all work. Guys, there it is. Tractor is going to come with 2 keys. It's going to come with a set of books and manuals. Tractor's 100% ready to go to work. 02 series tractors they did come up with here on these tractors, and they did put a nice floor mat on them now, which is nice. It's a 2-piece, fits nice. Previously, 1 series tractors did not have a floor mat on there. Really some nice updates. I absolutely love them side lights that they put on them. R14T tire sets this tractor off. Guys, to put a tractor in this one's place right now, you're $46,000, which is a pile of money for that size of tractor. Here's a massive savings on a brand new tractor. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. We take this very serious, what we do here. That's why we take the time to do these videos. But it seems like in today's world, even doing this isn't enough to make people understand this is what we do, and this is what we sell, and this is a legit product. But hopefully some of you guys, it gets through out there what we do. Appreciate any questions you might have. Gladly help in any way. Thank you very much, as always, checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.